Hello everyone, this is Abhinash, your friend and mentor for UPSC Civil Services examination. Friends, UPSC syllabus is extremely vast, so you need to have a very practical strategy. Friends, in UPSC prelims examination and mains examination, you have to make a priority order of books, like which subjects are extremely scoring and which subjects are not that extremely scoring. So friends, in this series of video, I'll cover the subjects which are extremely scoring. Here friends, in mains examination, internal security is extremely scoring and it is easy. So I have put it on the number 1. So please cover the internal security part first. Especially those who are preparing for 2020, they should first cover up this internal security. Friends, usually it is in GS3 paper. There are every year they ask 5 to 6 questions and these questions are extremely predictable and easy. Friends, there are 7 8 themes. Please prepare it wisely. One is Naxalism, then terrorism, then insurgency, Kashmir and Northeast. Friends, you have to remember in when it comes to Northeast, you have to just remember the broader theme. Do not go for Assam, Meghalaya, then Nagaland. Please do not go separately. Please just do the broader theme of Northeast insurgency. Then please read about communalism, then border sources, then cybercrime, then money laundering, and organized crimes. Friends, these are the 8 broader themes we have to go through. What are the sources for this one? Please go through last 3 4 year question paper because they have asked these questions again and again. Another important sources is Vision IAS टेस्ट सीरीज. फ्रेंड्स, विजन आई का एक सेपरेट टेस्ट सीरीज होता है इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी का सब्जेक्ट वाइज एंड दे आस्क अराउंड 20 क्वेश्चंस एंड दोज 20 क्वेश्चंस आर रिपीटेड ईच ईयर एंड अगेन. सो आपको यू डोंट हैव टू गो थ्रू अनदर बुक और एनी अदर वीडियो लेक्चर. प्लीज गो थ्रू दिस विजन आई टेस्ट सीरीज सेपरेट वन फॉर इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी. If you are a beginner, you can go through only IAS or sleepy classes video series. It is available on YouTube, but these are very lengthy. Only IAS का 11 videos है. It will take you around 4 5 hours to complete. So you can go through that one. Sleepy classes has longer videos and more videos. So if you may skip. One thing you have to do, friends, you have to manage cost and benefit. आपको ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं देना होता इस वीडियोज़ में जितने ऑनलाइन रिसोर्सेज में, बट गो फॉर द क्वालिटी. देन अनदर टीचर इज एक्सट्रीमली गुड, जतिन गुप्ता, इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी. ही इज अ टीचर ऑफ विजन IAS, सो यू कैन गो थ्रू हिज इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी कोर्सेज videos if available on the YouTube. He is extremely good and he is very renowned for this one. Friends, what are the key themes? I'll teach about the key themes for each topic. Naxalism, terrorism, every internal security has separate key themes and you have to write your answer in this line and you have to read the topic on this line also. First thing, friends, you have to introduce what is the issue. Like in Naxalism, please write about, draw a map. What are the areas, रेड कॉरिडोर एरियाज, कौन सा एरिया सबसे ज़्यादा अफेक्टेड है, लाइक बस्तर और झारखंड और एनी अदर पार्ट. प्लीज़ ड्रॉ ए मैप इन इंडिया मैप. प्लीज़ ड्रॉ दोज एरियाज. अगर कश्मीर इशूज़ है तो कश्मीर का थोड़ा सा एक मैप बना दे के which areas are extremely volatile. Please read about that. Then write about how grave the internal security issue is. Friends, like in Home Ministry has written that Naxalism is the gravest threat. तो आपको वहाँ पे ही आपको क्लियर कर देना कि इट इज़ एक्सट्रीमली ग्रेव थ्रेट. और साइबर सिक्योरिटी, यस, साइबर सिक्योरिटी इज एमर्जिंग एज वन द ग्रेवेस्ट थ्रेट बिकॉज ड्यू टू डिजिटाइजेशन एंड ऑल. Second part, please write about the factors and forces behind the issue. Like if you are writing about Naxalism, then please write about Jal, Jangal, Jameen. Everyone talk about this triangle, Jal, Jangal, Jameen. Please write about this one. Or cyber security or insurgency, please write about what are the causes or factors or forces behind this. Third one is implication of the issue. आपको लिखना है कि जो इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी इशू है उससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, क्या व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट आर अफेक्टेड. लाइक नक्सलिज्म से क्या इफेक्ट होता है इंडियन स्टेट को, या कम्युनलिज्म से क्या अफेक्टेड क्या होता है. जैसे कि ड्यू टू कम्युनलिज्म देर आर लॉट ऑफ राइट्स, सो इकोनॉमिक लॉस इज देयर, देन सोशल हार्मनी गेट डिस्टर्ब्ड. सो यू हैव टू राइट अबाउट द इम्प्लीकेशन ऑफ द इशू. देन राइट अबाउट व्हाट आर द गवर्नमेंट मेजर्स. गवर्नमेंट काफ़ी सारे मेजर्स लेती रहती है. So please write about what are the government measures, like they have adopted Samadhan scheme for Naxalism, they have adopted Nagaland, Greater Nagaland solution for Nagaland. They have made so many agreements with northeastern insurgent groups. So please read about those government measures. उसके बाद they have apart from that they have army and paramilitary forces. Please read about that one. Then please then another dimension is what are the lacunae in these government measures. Like we after each time Naxals kill our soldiers, then Naxals martyr our soldiers each time, then there will be article on the Hindu that there are many lacunae from our side. Please write about what are the issues, especially like there is lack of coordination between state police forces and CRPF. So there are many lacunae. Please go through and please write. Here friends, we'll discuss about here we'll discuss about a particular topic in internal security. This is cyber crime. They ask a lot of questions on cyber crime. First, write about what is cyber crime, hacking, impersonation, and all these are cyber crime. Then please write about what are the extent. Friends, I have already discussed these themes. Extent, this is one of the fastest growing and it has widespread reach. आप लोगों ने जमतारा के बारे में सुना होगा, द झारखंड विलेज फ्रॉम वेयर दे डू ए लॉट ऑफ साइबर क्राइम्स. बहुत लोगों का जो डेबिट कार्ड और क्रेडिट कार्ड का इंफॉर्मेशन दे टेक आउट. सो इट हैज़ वेरी हाई रिच. देन प्लीज राइट अबाउट द कॉजेस. ग्रोइंग डिजिटाइजेशन, लैक ऑफ सिक्योरिटी, एनोनिमिटी रहती है साइबर स्पेस पे. सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर. देन इम्प्लीकेशंस, लॉट ऑफ इम्प्लीकेशंस आर देयर. देखो जैसे कि आपका वेबसाइट अगर हैक हो जाता है, देन यू लूज ए लॉट अमाउंट ऑफ रेवेन्यू. आपने सुना होगा हमारे इंडियन ऑयल, ONGC एंड मेनी अदर PSUs, देयर वेबसाइट्स गेट हैक्ड. उसके बाद इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज क्या होता है कि जैसे कि व्हाट्सअप फॉरवर्ड्स एंड ऑल, इट क्रिएट्स लॉट ऑफ रायट्स एंड ऑल. आपने सुना होगा कि बहुत सारे इश्यूज ये क्रिएट करते हैं. सो प्लीज़ रीड अबाउट दैट. देन हमारे क्रूशियल इन्फॉर्मेशन चले जाते हैं, especially about national security. So what are the government measures they have taken? NIC 13, IT Act has they have taken. Cyber cells, most of the police department have established. Then please write about the global measures. फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको यहाँ पे आपको ये बता रहा हूँ कि हाउ टू मेक नोट्स एंड हाउ टू राइट आंसर. आप इसी थीम पे प्लीज़ राइट आंसर्स ऑल्सो. GS मेंस का आप जैसे नोट्स बनाते हो, राइट आंसर्स अकॉर्डिंगली ऑल्सो. Global measures, because the more dimension you will open up, the more score you will get. Here global measures, privacy, data security are there. Then what are we lacking? हमारे पास क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है? Like we need robust infrastructure, हमारे पास नहीं है. Cyber force we need. Then policy also we need. So what all can be done? Cyber security force we need strongly, because हमारे जो security forces है, they are not apt with cyber वर्ल्ड, डिजिटल वर्ल्ड स्पेशली. सो फ्रेंड्स, आप इसमें ये कर सकते हैं साइबर सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस, दे कैन बी एट पार विथ आर्मी और पैरामिलिटरी फोर्सेस. देन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, व्हेन यू आर कंक्लूडिंग, प्लीज़ फ्रेंड्स राइट अबाउट ए केस स्टडी, वेरी फेमस केस स्टडी. आपको सॉल्यूशंस देना है. इफ़ यू वांट टू कम टू ब्यूरोक्रेसी, देन यू हैव टू राइट द सॉल्यूशंस. Friends, you know about the cyber cell of Mumbai. It is extremely famous. They have solved a lot of digital crimes, cyber crimes, and many things. So please write. And they have a very strong cyber force also, which has got training and all. So friends, please write about Mumbai police and its cyber cell, and we can accordingly we can create infrastructure, we can train our people, and we can track the cyber crimes. This is how you have to write for each and every theme of internal security issues. Prepare your answers, like for Naxalism and all, prepare for your insurgency. Friends, you don't have to read too many interview videos and all. आपको बस बना लेना है. Please make model answers and आपको ख़त्म करना है. The best possible I will tell you, please go through the Vision IS. Internal security का subject wise questions आता है, 20 questions. I think that will be sufficient. Please go through the answers. You don't have to read a new book or any other current affairs magazine. बस उसको ये पढ़ना है, and when your basic is done, you can add current affairs. This is for now. So we'll cover this next module, what is the most easiest and extremely helpful, extremely scoring subject in UPSC mains examination. Friends, in this 4 months, please try to cover all these subjects at least. Thank you for now. Thank you everyone.